What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This video is my top 6 editing apps for beginners. The apps I'm suggesting today are not only for video editing, no, we have for thumbnails, for intros, so you can get the most high quality videos. I hope you get some inspiration from this video. Good luck to you all, and let's get started. The first one is Inshot. Inshot is a great app for editing, especially for beginners, and this is the one I use to edit this video and the one I use in editing all of my videos except the first and second video. Inshot has great transitions, text, stickers, backgrounds, and everything, and it has one benefit that is really great for all YouTubers, and this benefit is one of the problems that all of us face, which is the watermark. It has paid watermark and unpaid one. For the paid one, you should pay so you can remove the watermark. For the other one, you can watch a video for about 30 seconds so you can remove the watermark while exporting the video to your gallery. This is the most thing I like about Inshot, and here comes the big surprise. The first time I downloaded the app, I edited a video and I watched an ad for 30 seconds to remove the watermark. And then I didn't watch any ad for the next time when I edit videos, and it's really great. Like, it's not necessary for all of the users of the app that they should watch a 30 seconds ad for removing watermark from their videos, and it's according to their mood. Like, one time maybe the video ad will appear to you, one time it will not, so it's according to your luck too. The second one is Kinemaster. Kinemaster is a very famous app, and I guess nobody of all the small YouTubers doesn't know what is Kinemaster. Kinemaster has a paid version and the unpaid version. For the paid version, you can remove the watermark by paying money. For the unpaid one, no, you can't. Just you save the video and the watermark is there, and there's no option to watch an ad video like Inshot so you can remove the watermark. In my opinion, in Kinemaster is really great, but it has two disadvantages. The first one, that it doesn't have a lot of stickers. The stickers are not really great, even if you want great stickers or the stickers that all of YouTubers wish to have in their apps, so you should pay. And the second disadvantage is the watermark. Other than those two, it's a great app, and the watermark thing can be solved by an app that I'll suggest at the end of the video. Third one is Filmora Go. Filmora Go is the first app I used in my entire life to edit my videos. As I told you before, I used to have a channel, but some problems occurred and I just gave up. So this is a really great app. It has great stickers, great transitions, great effects. Everything about this app is great, and it has only one disadvantage, but this disadvantage can really be solved in a very easy way. The watermark is the main problem in this, so it just appears at the end of the video so you can crop it, and here it is. The fourth one is Filmmaker. Filmmaker is the app that I use to edit my first and second video. So if you want to know how does the editing look like, just go check the videos. Here they are in the cards. Now we can say that we are done with the editing apps. Now it's time for the thumbnail app. This app is the only app that I use to edit my thumbnails in my life, even though when I used to have a channel before, I used this app, which is PicsArt. PicsArt is pretty popular. I guess nobody doesn't know what is PicsArt, even though people that are not YouTubers, I guess they know what is PicsArt. This app is great. Like, I can tell that it has no disadvantage in my point of view, except having some paid stuff. Like, for example, you can have some paid stickers, some paid pics, but it's really great, and the paid stuff are not that much. The unpaid or free ones are more. So if you really want high quality thumbnails, just use PicsArt. Here comes the intro part. I guess a lot of you are now wondering, what app did I use to make my new outro and intro? And this is the app that I use. Actually, it's called Intro Maker. Intro Maker has pretty good intros and outros. You can just choose whether you want an intro or outro, choose anyone, write the text, add stickers, do whatever you want, add transitions, effects, anything you want. And even though you can access these social media bars, you know, I guess you saw them in my new intro, and they have paid and unpaid intros and outros. Here comes our very last app. This is the app that I told you will help you in Kinemaster's watermark thing, and it will help you in any editing app that has a watermark too. It's called Watermark Manager. Watermark Manager can be used either in removing or adding watermarks. There's a small problem in this app. It's after you remove the watermark, it will leave behind a small rectangle or a square that is blurry. It's not really a big deal if you're a beginner or a small YouTuber. Nobody will notice. I used to use this app when I was using Filmmaker in my first and second video. You can go check them and see how does the blurry effect look like. It's not really a big deal. You can get used to it. But if you want my advice, I advise you to use Inshot for editing your videos instead. But after all, Watermark Manager is pretty good for removing watermarks. This was today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed and got some inspiration for your channels. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. I'm waiting for you. And don't forget to go check the apps. I left all the links down below in the description box. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul